It's that time of year and the morels are popping up all over my yard. So it's time to fire up that leaf blower, clean up the place, and snap those bad boys off. My neighbor tells me to soak them in salt water. I'm not really sure why, but it seems like a reasonable thing to do, so I do it. Flipping to the page in my book, this is gnocchi with crispy sage and morel mushrooms. You could easily use any kind of mushroom, fresh or dry. I actually prefer dry for the camping and travel sense. Make a well in the center of your mashed potatoes and add an egg yolk. Whisk that around, add some flour, whisk it around some more, mash it up, knead it around. You're making a dough, a potato dough. Cut that into strips, roll those strips, and then portion them into bite-sized little pieces. We're going to be able to roll that across the rigatoni board. If you don't have one of those, you can use the back of a fork. Walk it over to your fire, add it to some hot butter. You want to get them nice and golden brown. Push them to the side, add your mushrooms. Put a little bit of garlic, you could add shallots, whatever you really want. Deglaze it with some white wine, hit it with some cream, and let that simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. We're going to add Parmesan and lemon zest. Fry up some sage, make it nice and crispy. Garnish it one last time. So delicious. It's my favorite recipe in the cookbook.